everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna take you along on how I'm gonna be making carrot oil to stimulate hair growth and really get our hair to a good start. Now that the weather is about to change, we need some good hair moisturizers to stimulate that hair growth and keep the hair growing during that winter season that's about to take place. Okay, so if you're interested, please come along. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and also give the video a thumbs up for more to come. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel my carrots. We have our carrots. I grated it yesterday, but I didn't have time to get to it, so I just wrapped it and put it in the fridge, and now we are ready to go and make it. So I'm gonna be using canola oil, but you can use any oil that you want. You can use coconut oil, grapeseed oil, any oil that you really wish to use. So we're gonna use 1 cup of canola oil, but feel free to use any oil that you have at your disposition. Okay, let's see, I might need a little bit more than 1 cup because my carrot is a lot, but here we have this pot that we'll be using. We're gonna start with low heat. Okay, we'll pour it in, and then we go ahead and bring the carrots to the oil. Okay. Just like so. And we're gonna cook it for about 20 minutes on low heat, so that way it doesn't get burned and anything like that. Okay, and we will stir it occasionally. big cap, and we're just gonna put it over this measuring cup here, so that way we'll be able to extract the oil that way. Okay, so here. So once it's done, it will cool off, and then we'll do that. We're gonna be using this little jar with a funnel to fill it up with the oil.